In this video, we're going to embed a quiz announcement bar on your Showit website. So first you want to log in to your Interact account, and then for the quiz that you want to make an embed code for, click on Share and Embed. Click on the Announcement Bar tab. The JavaScript code will open. Toggle on that you want to activate this quiz to promote. Note that you can promote one quiz in an announcement bar at a time. You can adjust or customize the settings of the announcement bar, and when you're ready, click Copy Code. Now we're going to open our Showit account and open the page that you're wanting to add the announcement bar to. From the Home tab, make sure you're on the Home tab, click on Advanced Settings in the bottom right corner. In the Custom Head HTML field, paste in your embed code and click Save. Now I'm going to publish the page, click Publish, and when I open the site, I'll see the announcement bar appear in just a couple of seconds, so your leads can start taking the quiz. And that's how you embed an announcement bar on your Showit landing page.